Ebusianfo, mami mo bibia kwa ba enfambra GCN page so. Mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Na wodo wonsa emia bell ne so. Ubenya notification. Ene sa ne news e de betum bia ubenye bi atie. Anase ubenye bi ahwe ewo GCN page. Hamidi e de adwoa searching. Sisi Ghana youth no omo ani abri ye papa panye youth ne nkwampo. Ghana fu na ye ni abran kasa kasa. Sisi wo ye politician. Na wo ye wadwen sa wo de Ghana fo adwen ba bedi agora enya de ebejeja ye betwa abo papa na Ghana fo bi no mo akeka mo adwen e de akere oman pani dada his excellency John Dramani Mahama na edensem e na Ghana fo bi eka Ghana fo bi nsem omo eka yina ne se eya oman pani dada his excellency John Dramani Mahama sebio obewi ase Yankopon abo na bro wanya yere awomba esanso e wo girlfriends bebre enti no Ghana fo bi e kire se they are expecting a year. Enti Ghana fu bi say they are expecting a year His Excellency Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama. Say ye coming 2024 election year ebeba so Oman Ghana win. Oman Penida da nemba ena ne renom ena ne girlfriends bebre no. Oncho mu na engu polling station emia no mu ye polling station agent. Say ne be ya entokwa bi eba ne renom ena ne girlfriends ena omu ebewu ena afenso nemba na enye Ghana fo emba anase Ghana fo adeche saa sabi nsem hu no ye gya ekride na ebi mo so ekre se Oman Pani dada John Dramani Mahama pa sometimes wo ka say ye bufu pa ho na NDC party na Oman Pani dada John Dramani Mahama pe na waka wo ma na ena nyama bi o ye nsem fata saa no na denti na Ghana fo eka sen denti Ghana fo eka sen ina ne say ye His Excellency Oman Pani dada John Dramani Mahama omo ye ne interview ewo TV3 na interview ni mu na Oman Pani dada John Dramani Mahama de air to just say 2020 abato na yeto na na do we papa ore yankasa na ejomo de court Supreme Court e the final judgment na ba out no na omo ni asem bi omo be ka wo ho che say asema Supreme Court aka no ena na omo ebedi so enti na omo J2 misa no na emom 2020 election no amo omo nyansa omo asua nyansa won papa enti 2024 e do omo ani beda ho na 2024 abato na eba beto no it will be won or lost at the polling station enya baabia anya afi no obi kɔ no miti obi kɔ charge ne phone na obi kɔ dabi and chese working kan ya na chese the winning ni din eto aso because Ghana for nankasa no already no we are fed up ewo eye His Excellency na adodan kwakufu ado no so ya fed up Oman Pani dada no ka woni ene enim ya fed up there and 2024 about to dey and chese winning no eye clear we be say clear Kofi TV mi hu ne clear Oman Pani dada so no e no be win nti en ne chese 2024 coming election e dey do or die enya de ombetena ho na chese ne abato no mo awie mu kra na ensem we beto odwane na Oman Pani dada sorry Ghana fo bi chese Oman Pani dada aden mana ya oden say do or die sesen say bi obi mu kra ni passport obi kura Kotoka International Airport on ko hoda na sa do or die na chese mo no na mo wi amode mo ba akogwa brochi na chese ya na eba be wu ana na yenti ensem Oman Pani dada John Dramani Mahama de eto dwane kakra
ballot paper for everyone that we arrested one ballot paper about 100 we didn't arrest it made me assure say there was a lot of stuffing of the ballot boxes we share BVR machine also now share ballot papers our box ballot papers no be don so change number will BVR also. It was a very election ultimately say you understand but Supreme Court say nekwanso enti yagiatum for the peace of this nation you now recognize say Yaman Penine Nana Akufo-Addo he is the recognized leader. We've accepted the Supreme Court judgment but the point is you see bibi ebcp na odisianya answer yes, yeah, the 2020 answer. Elections, no, it will be won or lost at the polling station.
I see. And
the polling station, they better do or die. Because all die, they die. They better do or die. The right thing must be done.
2024.
2024 polling station, and you better win the election. No, you train Emma, you can say collation center, and the Supreme Court, David. collation center and a polling station home. We will do everything to make sure that the election is free, transparent, and fair. Young person here, MPP for, we don't want to cheat them. Yes, young person will be a baby. My banning French na nya Ghana for Peno, near Ghana for Akumasono. Let that.
Now, Oman Penny didn't sem, Oman Penny that didn't sem etudre, and a Ghana fubi, a diomo comment. A buy, na yenti and some Ghana fubi, a kind. Way, shaibu, and some saying, and a ode etudra, and I quote, I hope his wife, children, and numerous girlfriends will also be made polling station agents. Way, Charles Edu, and also Etrese. I hope JM will go to the polling station and do and die for himself at all polling stations, but not people, children to die for him to enjoy with his children. And I went so Adams and I say, Mahama, stop talking. We will talk for you, say. Into where your support on man penny that way, say. 2 thieves running shift in presidency. And I went so Vivian and I say, Mahama Bomi pa. Can't NDC get any other person to lead the party, or he's the only wise person left? Let me leave before the political attack me. And I went so Robert and I Robert and I say, okay, Papa JDM, we hear you, but we have advised ourselves to. We are not even going to the polling station in Po. Ghanaian politicians should let their sons and daughters with their family members, including their dogs, to go to the polling stations to make and some say and Ghana fubi eka ede atre Oman Penny Dada John Dramani Mahama.